Harold Lerner, NASCAR champion, and today we're going to be working on a helicopter spin. So, start with it in two hands, one on the bottom of your grip, one just above it. And then you're going to strike in front of you, and then you're going to bring it above your head. It's going to roll from your pointer finger down to your pinky and back up again. Kind of like it's going to be like that. There. So, strike up here. It's kind of a basic version of a palm spin, and a good way to practice this is to use a collie stick or something shorter at first, just to get it up and around. And it's gonna, once you get good at this, you can try to pass it between your fingers for a longer period of time. And it's going to look like this. That's a palm spin, so it's gonna look like that. It looks like a palm spin, except you're passing it between your fingers instead of on your palm. So, the difference between a palm spin and this palm spin